I've used one recipe now, almost exclusively, for the last 3 years, and I think it might just be the perfect travel photography recipe. I know I've already shared details about Summer Negative before, but I honestly think it's so good that it deserves a video of its own. Whether I'm travelling with my family, working with tourism boards, or just exploring closer to home, this is the recipe I keep coming back to. It's not perfect, no Fujifilm recipe is. Shifting the white balance means it won't handle every lighting situation perfectly, but for travel photography, I think it's one of the most versatile out there. Before I share the recipe settings at the end of the video, let's have a look at some straight out of camera images taken over the last 3 years from Sicily, Cyprus, Portugal, Japan, Malta and more. If you'd like to see more Fujifilm videos and travel photography from across the world, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.